Hello everyone, this is a big box and we're going to see what is inside. Of course, you know, because of the title, but this is a 2.3 meter Phoenix Junkers 87 Stuka, right? Model B. Right, let's see if we can see the name. Let's see my poor stand can hold this huge beast. Okay. Wow. It's holding. Right, I'm going to use my chair as well. Just in case. Okay. Much better. This is probably, well, this is actually the biggest plane, biggest warbird I ever had. And let's see what is inside. I hope it's a good right position. Yeah, in the right position. This box is huge, and still I managed to sneak it inside. Oh man, so I have to put it in the floor because there is another box inside. So let's put this one back. It weighs like easily 6 kg, 6-7 kg. Okay, now here we have the in the box. So it will be, whoa. Okay. To feel my struggle. This is huge. It's heavy. Very heavy. Okay, here we go. Alright. Look at the size of this box. It's like a house. Okay. Whoa. Right. Stuka. Let's take a look at the specs. Right. Gas, power, electric power, 1/5 and 3/4, almost 1/6, 60 cc ARF. Really nice. More specifications. Wingspan, 2.4 meters actually, almost 2 meters long. Flying weight 11 kg, around 11 kg, maybe 12 with accessories. And well, we have all these things, really nice. Now let's see in reality to see what we have there inside. Right, you ready? Oh man, I almost killed my back with this. Okay. To avoid the suction on the box, I usually make a small hole. Right? So when I open the box, there's not going to be vacuum inside. It's easy. Resisting. Okay, here we go. This is the fish box. All right. There's another piece here. Really good. Phoenix never use polystyrene as for the boxing, so it's all cardboard, right? So it's one piece inside another piece. Here we have the first thing that drops out. This is the manual. Remove all this stuff. The manual is really good, very comprehensive with all the steps. I already built the Zero from Phoenix, and the manual was really helpful, so the manual is good. Okay, what we have here? We have a lot of tape. Look at this. This is a beautiful Stuka wing, huh? The inverted gull wing, characteristic of the Stuka. A lot of tape here. Careful not to touch the covering. This plane has a print-on covering, so everything is in the covering. There is no paint; it's all printed on the covering. All right, here we go. Look at this. Oh, nice! I always like the Stukas, and especially because of the very strange wings. Okay, here we have the attach the flap and the aileron, of course not in the right position. This one I have the offsets also to keep the looks of the Stuka, right? And this one has a much better way of fitting the wing to the fuselage instead of the screws that goes this way in the most of the Phoenix planes. You just put this one and fix it from top, from above, right? That is good. We have two spars, one big, one small. Nice. The shape is really good. It seems I got number 4 for the production line. Okay, this looks seems to be the rudder. Yeah, this is the rudder, really nice. All this plane is covered with the call it three shades of green, right, on top, and sky gray on the bottom. This is the elevator, one piece. Wow, it's nice. The elevator already in place. Then you have also the counterweights here that you can put later. The wing that is the same, so we need to open it. Here are the spars, huge spars. Let's see. Huge spars, right? One probably 15 mm, the other one 13 mm diameter. Really big ones. Right. Control rods, very long, 3 control rods, threaded. This one 2.5 mm, level on both sides, both ends. A lot of boxes here. First of all, I want you to see inside the box. Right. You see, all the accessory boxes are here. And one hardware bag here. One of the wing guns that are not accurate for this model, to my knowledge. I need to investigate a little bit more accessory bags. Then the number is 183, so probably this is the 183 of the production. Okay, here we have some interesting accessories characteristic of the Stuka. All right, let's go back and let's continue. Okay, still recording, right? All right. All right. Let me show you what we have here. One of the wheel pans. The Stuka had a fixed landing gear. They have these wheel pans on the wheels, and a lot of tape. Oh, look at this. All right, look at the size of this thing. The wheels, I think, is 4.5 inch. This is the siren or Jericho's trumpet position. It's quite small, right? Actually, I was expecting this one to be big because I want to install a 3-inch electric siren here, but I think I'm going to have to install it in the fuselage. This one is all fiberglass, right? Composite fiberglass. Oh, nice. Here we have, as I mentioned, these are the elevator. For me, are counterweights, right? Counterweight for the elevator. These are the hard points for bombs. or maybe 4. Ah, no, this is part of the wheel pants. This is the top of the wheel pan. See, completes the wheel pant, right? This is supposed to be leather, right, to get some compression. Right. Okay, let's see what is this box. Wow, this is heavy. Let's see, this is the landing gear, fixed landing gear. These are the spring struts. Wow. CNC, nice finishing, very hard spring, and a very strong attachment to the wing, right? Because, okay, this is all fixed landing gear. Box here. Accessories. Box is glued in the bottom. What we have here. So the Stuka has so many small part of details. It's a plain. Okay, this is the wing machine guns, right? This go in the wing vent, right? I need to cut around here and install this one, right? Okay, these are the guns that go into the pods, right? These have this plane, although this is a G model, a bomber, is also sporting the guns that would go in a G model, right? Or a Canone Vogel flying cannon. You guys have a, if not mistaken, 37 gun on each wing. For me, this is not accurate for this model, so probably I'm not going to use it. But I just really want to bomb the system. Bombing this for purposes, nothing else. This is really a good, nice piece of details, right? The guns goes here, attachment to the wings. This is ammo, right? Only have a few rounds, but enough to kill at least 100 tanks as Rudder did. This is all the hardware. The huge wheels are on, I'm mistaken. These are, yeah, 5 1/4, almost 5.5 inch wheels. Adapter for the if you want to put the electric motor. All the hardware needed. Right. And then we have nice. This is what I wanted to see. Right. Here you can see the huge cowling. This is really, really huge. With the intake, we could be improved with some 3D printed system. And let's take a look inside it. We use it on the box. Okay, what we have here? The tail wheel, nice, very nice. I think it must be pull system. Firewall reinforcement. The green monster pilot. This is a standard for Phoenix models. All the pilots are green for some reason. Probably they believe that brown is green or something like that, right? Because all the pilots in Phoenix are green. Fuel tank, 500 ml full fuel tank, half a liter. Straps for the tank. The spinner, wow, nice, huge spinner. This one is how big? It's 4.5 inch spinner. It is just a 2-blade spinner for the propellers. There's going to be 21 by 8, 21 by 10, it's okay. And then this is the CG locator machine. With this one, you open up a little bit the wings, hook up these two in the spars, and with this one you will be able to find out if the CG is good or not. Okay. Now let's go to the exciting part. Is the fuselage. Beast, criticize. Even without a cowling, it's almost like a cowling really here. Nice. Right, let's go to open one. Not damaging anything. It's from dusty. use scissors. It's really, really, really huge. Okay, here we go. Since the first time I saw a Cox 49 Stuka hanging in a shop, a black one, I always liked the Stuka. And I always wanted to have one. Actually, I managed to have about 5 different sizes, like 3 FMS, 1.4, one Hyperion 1.5, one very small one, is like 80 centimeters wingspan, and also this one is the biggest I have. This cockpit has a sliding feature. It's not possible to loosen the screws. Turn. It's going to screw here, holding the sliding canopy. Let's take a look. Because we know that this greenhouse canopy is the other characteristic of the Stuka. That's want to come out. Yeah, we have to work a bit here. Just wait a second. All right, it was a hex screw, right? So now open, copy. And I must say I'm impressed about the detail. Let's take a look. All right, very nice detail inside. Wow, look at all the instrument panel. Look at the radio for the navigator and gunner. Look at the gun. Really, really nice. Right, let's open all these. Okay. Here we go. So it's practically full pilot cockpit with nice details. Some extra we can add, of course, to help the be realistic. Right. And now let's take a look inside. Inside we have this carbon fiber sandwich for all this part. The rest is wood, light ply. We have all is pull, rudder, elevator, and wheel. Steering is pull, servos. This must be for elevator, rudder, and steering. And let's look at the firewall. Already built in the angle for the engine, for the motor. The angle is already built in. Lot of space for the tank, space for the servos for the throttle here for front. The position of the trapeze for the bomb is around here, right? But it doesn't have a space for the bomb, so probably the Let's see if we can do it or not. Details printed in the covering. Everything is printed. This is not sticker, it's all printed. Right? A little bit of weathering as well. So it looks nice. It looks really nice. The construction is nice. You need to open the holes for both the wiring and the spars. But okay, I think that summarizes what is in the box. You know that somewhere in the box there are the bombs, but bombs are like this, so I really don't like it. I'm going to print my own thing for the wings. We're talking about 50 kg, 450 kg bombs, right? And a big one, 500 kg for the belly. So, okay, this is for now. I don't want to make this too long, and okay, keep posted. I will show you when this plane is ready to fly, and we'll do the maiden flight and so on. Okay, thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to my channel to give me your support, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.